Savina from Manipur Creative School raised to support the motion. I strongly support the motion social media distracts students from academic goals. First of all, Mr. Speaker, sir, let me highlight some points that are newly expressed in YouTube social media. YouTube are announcing to the parents to set some time or directly delete the kids from social media. And many of the country are introducing themselves to reduce mobile phone in 2025 and 2026. For example, the countries South Korea, Sweden, Iceland, they are not having too much of good. So they don't want to use social media for kids. Social media has become an inspirable part of students' life. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook offer communication and entertainment. However, excessive and uncontrolled use of social media distracts students from academic goals. Let me say, Mr. Speaker, sir, it reduces time management. Students spend hours by scrolling reels and watching short video. This reduces the time for studying, homework, practicing, and other things that are really needed for the schools. Point number 2, reduce concentration and attention span. Frequent notification disturb focus while studying. Multitasking reduces deep learning. Students switch between books and phone. Results, low time management. Point number 3, addiction and mental fatigue. Mr. Speaker, sir, social media creates a dopamine addiction. Students become restless without mobile phone and causes stress, anxiety, sleep problems, etc. Number 4, comparison and belief system. Students compare their life with other fake online lifestyle. This leads to dissatisfaction. Mr. Speaker, sir, it also distracts in family issue. In the earlier period, all the students are playing with their parents and make the love of bounds. But in this 21st century, maximum of the students are demanding to their parents for buying new trendy things like iPhone, new dresses, bikers, and all. Mr. Speaker, sir, I strongly support this motion. One of my treasury banks already said that, yes, let me take an example. They said that it's when we use it very nicely, then we'll be good. But let's take a suppose. Suppose we take an example, okay? We are here because of social media, right? But maximum of the students did not attempt this competition, right? Because they are using the social media in the wrong way, not in the such good way. Lastly, I would like to conclude my arguments by saying that, Mr. Speaker, sir, use social media to learn, not to distract your academic goals. Let me repeat it again. Use social media to learn, not to distract your academic goals. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.